Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a foreign function interface to a C library. Here's a simple C library I wrote, with a source file and a header. To generate bindings, we first need to make a header file called wrapper.h and include this library. Next, create a build script called build.rs in the project directory. Add cc and bindgen as build dependencies. Add a main function to build.rs and define cc and bindgen as external crates. If there are source files, we need to compile them. Let's make a build with cc and add a source file to it. Add .compile and pass the name of the library. Then we need to generate the bindings using bindgen. Tell it where the wrapper is and add .generate. Specify the output directory. Write the bindings to a file in the output directory called bindings.rs. Include this file in lib.rs. Let's write a test for this library. The library has one function. It will add 1 to the integer passed in. So let's assert that this is true. Tests are passing. That's it for this video. Resources are available in the description. See you next time. Goodbye.